Designer Review. Is this the most popular ebook design and publishing tool in 2025? Let's find out. And make sure to like and subscribe if you want more contents like this. So, Designer is a cloud based software that lets you create ebooks from blog posts, PDFs, and other content in just a few clicks. It's primarily used by content creators, marketers, and coaches who want to repurpose content quickly. So let's go to the ease of use. The interface is drag and drop and doesn't require any design skills. You can import URLs, Word files, or PDFs, and it automatically formats the content into a styled ebook. Next is the templates and customization. Designers offers hundreds of pre-built templates across categories like business, health, and tech. You can customize fonts, colors, images, and layout elements, although some templates are locked behind higher tier plans. Next is the export formats. You can export your ebook as PDF, Kindle, EPUB, or HTML. This is great if you plan to sell your ebook across multiple platforms. Next are the AI and audio features. Designer also includes AI transcription tools and an audio to text converter, very useful for tuning podcasts into ebooks. However, the results may vary depending on your audio clarity. So, we're going on to the limitations. It's not ideal for long form book publishing or heavy formatting. Also, the basic plan has limited export options. Next is the pricing. Starts at a one-time payment for the standard plan with optional upgrades for more templates and features. So for final verdict, if you want a fast and no fuss way to turn existing content into good-looking ebooks or lead magnets, Designer is worth trying. And for full-length books or advanced publishing, you may need something more robust. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.